Hey, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. Today I'm going to show you a trick with old existing door jambs. Well, we've had these door jambs before where we've gone in and we've put new doors in, and lo and behold, we decided we weren't going to buy the ones with the jambs already connected to it. We're going to use the existing ones that are in the house. Well, here's our issue. People have painted these door jambs 6, 7, 8, 9 times. And every time it gets thicker, brush strokes get thicker and everything else. And then when you try to do a nice smooth coat, it just does not work. Okay, so I'm going to show you some little tricks here that I've been able to use in my in my past, on things that have helped me with the door jambs being smooth. So what you basically use is just use yourself a trowel, get yourself a little pan here, and use drywall mud. That's right, I said drywall mud. So right here, your all-purpose drywall mud, you just grab it out of here. And what you'll do is basically take your spatula. Sorry, I'm running around. And put the mud on this nice and thin. And as you can see, I've put some already on there. All right, so then once it's done and it's on there, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get yourself a little block, sanding block like this. And here, you can see some of it here. You're basically just going to run over it and sand it. And what it's going to do is it's going to leave some of the residue in the marks where the brush in the past is used. And now it's nice and smooth. So now when you do your brush strokes, just make sure, one, you have a good brush so that you don't leave brush strokes from an old nasty brush. This one here I picked up at the Home Depot hardware store. I'm not promoting them, but just wanted to show you. And it's it's one of the best ones for not leaving brush strokes. And you'll leave a nice, clean, brand new looking door jamb. All right? So I just wanted to give you one of those head up tips. Thanks for watching. I've got a lot more tips going on. We've got some things going on in here where we're going to remodel some more. You've actually already seen a bathroom that I've done as far as remodel, and we're just going to keep on going. So next is going to be concrete floors. All right, so please subscribe, stay tuned, and let me know if you have anything on your mind that you want to know about as far as getting done, and maybe I can hook it up and do it. All right, well, have a great day.